What's up, peeps? Welcome back to another math vid. Today we're going to be doing a bit more converting, except this time they're going to be instead of liters and stuff, they're going to be gallons and pints and tons and pounds and ounces. So our first question today is, Sheila's mom bought 3 gallons of juice for that party. If each glass can hold exactly 1 pint, and Sheila's mom wants to fill each glass to the top, how many glasses can Sheila's mom fill? So how can we solve this problem? First, you need to know how many pints are in a gallon. There are 8 pints in a gallon. And she bought 3 gallons of juice. And then after that, you don't need to solve any more. It's just 3 multiplied by 8, and that is how many glasses she can fill. Moving on to the next question, we've got James bought a 1 gallon container of orange juice. He accidentally spilled an entire quart on the floor, then poured 1 pint into a glass. How many cups of juice are left in the container? And a relatable fact here, how can he spill 1 quart on the floor? As we know, 1 quart is 1/4 of a gallon. So did he just tilt it over and just let it glug out? I was like, I accidentally spilled 1/4. Anyways, speaking of which, as we now know that 1 quart is 1/4 of a gallon, it's asking us how many cups of juice are left in the container. And as we learned in 3rd grade, there are 16 cups in a gallon, so 16 cups. And following the same logic, that would mean that there are 4 cups in a quart and 2 cups in a pint. And now, following that same logic, we can do 16 subtract 4 subtract 2, or just 16 subtract 6, because 4 plus 2, 6. So that means it would equal 10. He still has 10 cups left. Be careful with your juice, dude. You literally spilled so much. Okay. Anyway. All right, our next question here is, together the students in Jose's class, Jose, I don't know, weighed a total of half a ton. How many ounces do all of the students weigh? So I don't think we all go around solving how many ounces are in a ton. But we do know how many pounds are in a ton, metric ton. So there are 2,000 pounds in a ton. But this is half a ton. So 2,000 divided by 2, 1,000. Let me just write that down. So how many ounces are in a pound then? Because this is our conversion to pounds. How many ounces are in a pound? There are 16. So we just need to multiply it by 16 to get our final answer, 16K. And there. Or you could do this an easy way. So it says half a ton here, right? And as I said, there are 2,000 pounds in a ton. And in half a ton, there would be 1,000 pounds. A pound is more than an ounce. So if it's asking us how many ounces there are, why would these be here? Because these are even less than a pound would be. So, or you could just do it like that. We want to be super certain, or if there's a problem that's kind of if there's an actual reasonable answer, then you could do the actual solving one. All right, our last question today is, James drove his car onto a scale. Where did he get this big scale from? And found that it weighed exactly 2 tons. He took off all 4 wheels, 4 tires. I'm not sure why he would do that, because it takes quite a bit of time to put back on. The car weighed exactly 3,900 pounds. How much did each tire weigh? Okay, so straight away we can kind of see that, as I said, 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. So we're asking to be converted into pounds here. So we're going to convert 2 tons into pounds. So that's 2K. Sorry, no, not 2K. That's 1 pound. That would be 4K, because 2K multiplied by 2, 4K. And subtract 3,900. At this point, most of us would see that 4,000, 3,900, subtraction 100. So we've got 100. And it says it has 4 tires here, right? 4 tires. So if there's 4 tires and all of the tires together was 100, then that would be 100 divided by 4, which is 25. So yeah, I hope this vid helped you guys learn at least a bit more about math, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!